Best talk tayo ng mga kapuso, kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, RJ! Good morning mga kapuso! Welcome to Best Talk this morning. Atong makauban si kapuso artist Claire Castro. Maayong buntag, Claire, and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you doing?
I am okay. I'm excited to be here.
Thanks for your time. Now, how's your quarantine life so far?
Very productive. I learned how to cook more recipes. I take care of my dogs right now because my dog just gave birth. So yun. They're grateful for when you're sad. They really can sense your energy. They really cheer me up po. Alam na alam po nila when something is wrong. Ganon.
Lalo na ngayon that we're experiencing quite a pandemic and we're forced to stay at home. Are you quarantined now with your family? And kumusta mga bonding activities niyo naman together?
Yes, we're quarantined together. Yesterday we ate takeout from Wendy's yesterday and nagchikahan lang kami, catching up. Ganun.
And speaking of your family, Claire, alam namin that showbiz blood runs into your veins kasi your parents are both 90s showbiz personalities. Nako, when you informed them that you would like to try out din naman na maging isang artista, what was their initial reaction?
Oh my gosh, my dad was the most excited because ever since I was a kid, I wanted to join showbiz na. Pero my dad thinks I was too young, di ko pa kaya, ganyan. Ngayong 20 na ako, like, he's very happy that I myself wanted to join. I initiated po, like, I told him I wanted to join.
Meron bang mga films or shows yung parents mo, like your dad also, na napanood mo naman at saka talagang tumatak sa'yo?
Yung sa mom ko po, parang horror film po siya. Parang, huwag ka matakot sa dilim. Hindi ko po sure kung yun, pero natuwa po ako doon.
Ano yung usual advice naman nila or reminder nila sa'yo now that you're starting then to make your own name and then build your reputation dito sa entertainment industry?
Well, my dad po always reminds me to have thick skin because it's really hard po. I'm very sensitive and soft-hearted. Pero, yeah, that's my dad's number one advice po talaga is to thicken my skin so I can last.
Yun nga, and speaking of that, how do you react lalo na if others would like to make bad comments? Ayan, may mga bashers din minsan, right? How do you address that?
Honestly, I get hurt easily po, as in super. But as I get used to it po, parang wala na lang. Parang okay, just go ahead, it's okay.
You will learn the art of ignoring people. Ganun na lang.
I hope so. I'm as good at it pa.
You will learn that you're still very young ngayon, Claire. And if given the chance then to choose like a role sa isang teleserye or film, what character would you wish to portray? Kasi you think you're very good at it.
Kontrabida. Definitely.
Ay, sa itsura mo parang ano na, yung bida sa show na yan, parang matatakot na ng konti sa'yo, ha? Ito, mensahe mo na lang sa lahat ng yung mga supporters and fans, lalo na dito sa Mindanao.
Hello po. Hello din sa mga Claire Defenders. Always take care of yourself po and your family. Ayun lang po. Always. God bless.
Thank you very much, Claire. Maraming salamat. We had a fun time with you.
I had a fun time as well.
And that was Kapusong Claire Castro. Tutok lang mo mga kapuso kay mabalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.